Chef's Academy. I'm Chef Judy and this is Chef Kristen. And we're going to do some cooking with you today. Does everyone say happy birthday to Yuki?
Happy birthday, Yuki!
How many of you have been here before? Just one? Two! What did you make when you were here?
A pizza?
You made a pizza. What did you make when you were here?
Pizza.
Pizza! So Kristen and I can just put our feet up. You're going to teach the class, right? No? Not today?
My dad can.
He can? Well, how many of you cook at home? What do you like to make at home?
I like to make soup.
Soup. I love to make soup, especially on days like today. What do you like to make at home?
Bread.
Bread? You might know the answer to my question. Who else cooks at home? What do you make at home, Dory?
I make hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Yum.
I make pizza at my house with my dad.
You do? What do you make at home?
Soup.
Soup. What kind of soup?
Butternut squash.
Butternut squash. Ooh, that sounds yummy.
My mom makes chicken soup.
Please just let them
I make
float for
chicken
a decoration right now. When you go, you can
vegetables.
take them home with you. So when you make pizza at home, do you make it from scratch?
Yeah.
What does that term mean when I say from scratch?
It means you do it by yourself. You don't like buy it from the stores.
That's right. We have to start with our basic ingredients and make the dough ourselves. We don't go to Trader Joe's for a bag of dough. We don't get a bobbly pizza crust at Safeway. We have to make it. So if you make bread at home, do you know what my magic ingredient is going to be for the dough?
Make
Flour is the biggest ingredient, but it's not the magic ingredient.
milk.
No milk in this one.
Water.
Please sit on your bottom in the chair.
Water.
No, it starts with a Y.
Water.
No,
Yuki.
water starts with a W.
Yeast.
Yuki. Yuki's not in the dough. Yeast. Very good. Does anyone know anything about yeast?
It makes the bread bigger.
It makes the bread bigger. It makes our dough rise. Did you know that yeast is alive? Do you think it's going to be crawling across the table?
No. Okay, I'm never eating yeast.
You're never eating yeast. Well, you better eat yeast when you eat pizza. Well, it's alive. It's a
But
germ.
I don't want to eat pizza.
Do you normally want to put germs in your food?
No.
This is a good germ, though. But it's what we call freeze-dried. So we have to start by waking up our yeast. Does anyone know how we're going to do that?
No. And by squishing its head. Joshua's here.
Put it in a hot place. That's where it rises. A nice warm place, not too hot. How would you wake up in the morning? Does someone come in and yell, "Wake up"?
Yes.
No. You think if we shake it in the bottle? You give yourself a bath. The yeast likes to take a bath. So we're going to give it some nice warm water to wake it up. And then it's going to need some food. What does yeast like to eat?